people, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. I have missed you guys. As you can see, I am outside sitting on the stairs of my deck. Today's the day we're gonna get our deck pressure washed so we can get it protected with some paint and preserve the wood and all that good stuff. I should have done this like a year ago. Better late than never. So anyway, I just wanted to introduce the vlog. I've missed you guys. It's been a while since you've really seen my face on YouTube. I want to first thank those who sent their prayers and condolences during my grieving moments and time a few months back. And I'm back. I'm ready to get going. We're outside. Thank you so much for supporting the channel during my absence, and yeah, so I appreciate you guys. Today we are about to get going. I am excited. You see some dead plants behind me. I've got to move all this stuff off the deck. I don't have much, just some chairs and the rugs, and most of my plants and pots and stuff I had already moved for the winter. Moved them into the garage, hoping that they're gonna come back. Some of the marigolds that I planted. So I have missed you guys, and yeah, so we are outside. We are outside, y'all. I missed y'all. Did y'all miss me? Cause I missed y'all, low-key. I really miss y'all. I really did. I really did. There's no rain and everything. We'll be getting this deck painted today. I had already picked out some paint at Sherwin-Williams, but I'm gonna run to like Lowe's and check out this other brand that I was told was pretty good. So I'm gonna see if I can see a color in that brand that I like. But if I don't, I've already got a color that I like at Sherwin-Williams, so we'll just go get some of those paint cans, have them ready for the guys to start on tomorrow. But this afternoon around 3 o'clock they are going to pressure wash, so I might get a quick little clip of that later. But I am so excited to see you guys. I've totally missed you guys, and it is so nice to be outside. Like, it's something about hearing these birds and out here looking. I got my little background with the trees going on. Yeah, I'm excited. I missed y'all. I love y'all. And let's get this vlog started. Oh my gosh, y'all, so can you see where the rugs were? This is what the wood used to look like, and now the sun has faded it to this. So I love the original color down there, but I've got to protect it. I wanted to use a semi-permanent, but they told me that wouldn't last long. It would kind of be a waste of money, so I'm gonna go with the paint that has the protectant in it to protect my wood. And I'll probably go with something in the neutral family, probably gray or something. So yeah, I gotta remove this last rug get my egg chair removed, and yeah, we're almost done. Just found a little hornet's nest or something in the cover for my egg chair, and there's one wasp or something kind of crawling on it, so I think he's gonna try to find something to kill it. But yeah, be careful when you're taking off your covers on your deck, and just double check and make sure everything is safe. Yep. It's starting to heat up out here. Yeah, look, the glass is fogging up. So, yeah, we got a good start. You can see everything's cleaned up. I'm probably gonna leave that broom. They might need it to like sweep up or something before they pressure wash, but I swept as best as I could out here. So, yeah, that's it, that's all. I'll see you guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never hear my thoughts run, oh yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never hear my thoughts run, oh yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never hear my thoughts run, oh yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is started. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, almost kicked in and lift my head up. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and that season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
We are outside. Y'all know that? We outside. She got new glasses and everything. You know, she got to rock the big glasses. Like, she got to have the oversized glasses. And I'm kind of liking these. Like, they doing what they need to do. They giving what they need to give. Yeah, they giving what we look. Just enjoy the outdoors for 2 seconds. Just enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get this deck finished so I can decorate it again and get ready to sit outside and enjoy it. Especially before it gets too hot, because you know, girl be out here sweating it. It's hot out here. It's hot out here for folks that like to play in the plants and out in the gardens. Yeah, it ain't for everybody. Especially if you live in the South. It be hot. It be hot down here now. It be look for the hot. You know what I'm saying? Look for the hot. So anyway, yeah, let's get going. Y'all know I get to talking, because I done missed y'all. I have missed y'all so much. So yeah, you getting to see me laugh, smile. Y'all, I've been avoiding the camera. I ain't gonna lie. I've been avoiding the camera, but she back.